I have here a USB charging cable. I'm going to show you what it looks like. When I take it out, it comes with two. So these are very unique. So you can see that they pull apart. And it also has 4 different charging cables. So this is a micro USB. This is a USB-C. This is a lightning charging port. This is a lightning data port. So you're going to want to make sure you don't just pull from only one side. You want to make sure you pull from both sides. And then you can see it's nice and long. And then it can stay in spot. And if you give a little tug, it's going to slowly go back in for storage or to keep it nice and short. So I extended it and I plugged it in so I can use these. So I'm going to plug in some different devices, and you can see that one is already flashing. This is a battery pack. Then I've got a phone. And that one will turn on, and then I've got an iPad here that I'm going to plug in as well, and I'll show you that it's charging from right here. So this charger is super nice. It would be really convenient if you have multiple devices you need to charge, or if you need something to take traveling, so you have them all together so you don't have to have 10 different cords with you. You'd have it all together in one. I highly recommend it. It's super nice and super easy to use.